Welcome back to Jack's Attack. Today I want to talk about crabgrass prevention. This is what crabgrass looks like. It often grows in stressed out areas of your lawn. You might first see signs of crabgrass along your driveway or in sunny areas where your lawn is thin or bare. Left untreated, it can sprawl out and start to take over your lawn. Your best defense against crabgrass is to start with a crabgrass preventer plus lawn food. With crabgrass being an annual weed, it is likely to come up year after year. These products will not only prevent crabgrass all season long, but will also provide nutrients to make your lawn green and lush. Crabgrass starts to germinate when soil temperatures reach about 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit and will continue to germinate at a higher pace as the temperature increases. So, when do you apply a crabgrass preventer plus lawn food? The best time is early spring, before the crabgrass starts to germinate. Depending on where you live, this might be as early as March or as late as the beginning of May. Generally, you want to put this down around the time of your first mowing. For best results, make sure it gets watered in. That could be by sprinkler or rainfall. Now that you put down your crabgrass preventer plus lawn food, you can take additional steps to keep your lawn healthy during the growing season. Remember to feed your lawn about every 6 to 8 weeks and mow your grass height at about 2.5 to 3 inches. It's also a good idea to mulch your grass clippings to return the nutrients to the soil. A thick and healthy lawn helps choke out broadleaf weeds and minimizes the chances for crabgrass seed to take hold. This is Jack's Attack on DIY Lawn Care. Check back for more videos and be the envy of the neighborhood.